Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So I have seen my Instagram followers control my day videos on YouTube, so I wanted to do my version of it. Instead of posting questions on the Instagram, I posted questions on the WhatsApp status. Let's see how my DIY project turned out. But before that, make sure you subscribe to my channel. For this DIY, I posted this picture asking drawing on a 3D suitcase, and out of 4 votes, 3 votes are for 3D backpack. Take a matchbox and paint it with the blue color like so. I am using brown color for the straps of the suitcase. Flip it in perpendicular direction and make straps. Inside the matchbox, write I love you. And color the heart with the red color. Take a piece of paper and make a patch with the brown color for the handle of suitcase, and then cut a small strip. And glue it on the matchbox. Now glue this suitcase on the cart. And write you will be missed. I posted a picture asking them drawing or a 3D hot air balloon. Again, 3 out of 4 votes were for 3D hot air balloon. Take a piece of paper, fold it into a half, then draw a shape of half balloon. And then cut that out. Now use this as a stencil. Take any colored paper and fold it into a half. Using this stencil, draw a balloon and cut that out. Repeat same procedure with different colored papers. Glue these on the card like so. Now draw a basket. And then color it with the brown color. Outline the basket with the black sketch pen. Then write good luck with your adventure ahead. And yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like and share this video.